students, parents, and teachers to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm Andrew Krause, the head of school. While our mission, we inspire innovation and compassionate action, remains the same, this year promises to be a year like none other. In particular, I'm pleased to announce that we have more parents involved in this welcome assembly than ever before. One of our teachers rightly said that parents around the world are more involved in their children's education than ever before. And it is a real opportunity for teachers to showcase the potential of education. Parents, I hope that you are able to experience some of that potential both today and throughout the year. Students, I also want to tell you how lucky you are to have such an amazing faculty to teach you, and how lucky I feel to work with such great professionals. All of our teachers at ISG Jubail stayed in the kingdom over the summer, even though they were not required to do so. Many spent time this summer with colleagues, attending courses, and otherwise developing their professional abilities to provide the very best education possible, either virtually or in person. On top of this, our IB team never really stopped teaching. They volunteered to teach 30 syllabus hours to each of our grade 11 students, ensuring that they remain on track. Speaking about the IB, I want to share some results with you. Last spring, our first cohort of IB students finished the program. Now, our program allows everyone without prerequisite to enter the program. All 17 of our students chose to complete at least 3 IB courses and scored a 3 or above on those courses. 10 of those students took the full diploma, and every single one received that diploma, a 100% pass rate. This is a noteworthy achievement in any school, but it's almost unheard of in the first year of running the program. So I'm proud of our students for this accomplishment, and I'm also proud of all of our teachers. Students don't achieve at this level after just 2 years of intense work. It's a culmination of all the years that precede those that make the difference and highlights the dedication of our entire faculty and staff. So thank you for this incredible accomplishment of which you all should be proud. Now this year, we'll be starting virtual. So getting to know one another will be a little different than it has been in past years. The theme of our virtual orientation is building community in a virtual world, and that's exactly what we hope to accomplish. Mr. Ahmed and Mr. Wingers, the heads of the elementary school and the middle school, high school, now will tell you a little bit more about how that will happen.
Good morning, all ES students and family members. I'm really excited to have you join us for this virtual assembly. For those students returning, welcome back. And for those who are new, we welcome you to the ISG Jubail family. Although we may not be able to see each other in person, knowing that we can still connect virtually will help us to still build those connections and give us the chance to not only help you to learn, but also to help you to grow, make friendships, and create fond memories. We are fortunate to have such a dedicated set of faculty members with us at ISG Jubail. There are 2 new faces, as well as a few others who've moved to other grade levels in the ES. With regards to the new staff, I'd first like to welcome Ms. Muzma Amanullah, our new grade 4 teacher, who is really excited to join us. We'd also like to welcome Ms. Robin Bryan, our music teacher, who is currently in the US, but will be just as keen to learn about you. They're both raring to go and can't wait to meet you all in the ES. We also have 1 or 2 teachers who have moved to alternative grades at the school and are excited about the opportunities that these will bring. Based on the feedback from parents last year, one change we have put into place in the ES is a shift from Class Dojo to Seesaw for parent messages to streamline the communication structure. Parents will use this as our main platform to communicate with parents, with the teachers. So please ensure that this is set up and ready to use. An additional alteration with our ES is our virtual school timetable, and in particular our Raw Day, which will include some specialist classes too, to help spread out the virtual school specialist learning opportunities. This week will be a chance for parents to talk to us about your child and for us to understand your child more. Homeroom teachers will spend time over the next few days completing one-on-one video calls, and I've already shared out with you some questions to reflect prior to the meeting. Please have these completed before meeting your homeroom teacher. Specialists will have time to meet for parents on Wednesday and Thursday, and the sign-up for these will be sent out shortly. For children, regardless of whether we are virtual or physical, our teachers will offer you an educational experience in line with our mission to inspire innovation and compassionate action. You will learn to collaborate, communicate, think creatively and critically, and develop a sense of character. School today looks and feels very different than it was when I was younger. The skills that the education adventure will produce will have an impact on how you learn and support your future successes. For parents, above all else, virtual or not, please cherish these times with your child. Never lose sight of the fact that it moves quickly and the growth that you will see on a daily basis will seem to flash by in no time. Appreciate the fact that never in their lives have the children had so many adults looking after their best interest. Home and school together make a tremendous partnership, and the beneficiary of all of that love and care, challenge and support, nurturing and mentoring is ultimately your child. Helping our children get a strong and vibrant education is a gift, a priceless gift that will last a lifetime. Thank you, and I look forward to an exciting 2020-2021 school year in the elementary school.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmed. Dr. Kraus, hello to all of our parents and students. For those that are new or may have just forgotten, my name is Brent Wingers. I am the head of the Middle and High School, or MSHS for short. The Middle and High School has been abuzz with activity virtually in anticipation of the start of the year. On behalf of myself and our wonderful staff, welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm also happy to introduce a few new faces to our division. Mr. Chris Broderick has joined our science department and will be teaching MS middle school science sections. Ms. Becky Kays will be teaching in our English department, along with a new to MSHS colleague, Mr. Neil Bourne, who has previously taught in our elementary school. Ms. Madiha Kamar will be leading our art classes, along with Ms. Fatima Al-Yami, who is teaching grade 6 art. And Ms. Lisa Gerke has moved into our MSHS counseling role. We have another year with a very strong staff who are dedicated and excited to connect with you all. As you have likely noticed, schedules are available on Skyward, and our virtual school schedule was also published. There will be, of course, a few bumps as students familiarize themselves with the new schedule and learning routines. An orientation slideshow was shared yesterday, and teachers will be available across the week to answer questions and support our students and families. For this week, attendance will be default present to account for the adjustment to virtual school and another school year. We are excited with our flexible schedule and continue to look at how we can adapt, inspire, and innovate to create a truly unique and meaningful learning experience. We look forward to working in close partnership with families and colleagues to make the most of this school year, and thank you for your continued support and positivity. Following this address, there will be a short grade 6 orientation at 9 a.m., and all students in the middle and high school, beginning at 10 a.m., will move through their 8-block rotation to meet their teachers. A similar plan is scheduled for Tuesday as well, so that students can clarify schedules, ask questions, and get off to a strong start this school year. Without further ado, let the learning begin. Thank you.
So this draws our welcome assembly to a close, but it really opens our efforts to build a community virtually together this year. So welcome once again to the 2020-2021 school year.